How to delete your DeepSeek AI account. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the preferred web browser and then log into the specific account that you want to delete. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on Space. Now in here, what you want to do is click on My Profile at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then head over to Settings. Inside Settings, move into Profile. Over here in the bottom, you can see the red highlight of Delete. Click on it. For the confirmation of a deletion, you have to enter Delete My Account. Once you have typed in, tap on Confirm Delete My Account at the bottom. After that, your account will be deleted permanently, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete your DeepSeek AI account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.